Hello guys, it's me Pranjal and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you easiest way to draw hair for sketches. So without wasting any time, let's get started. All you need to use only 4 things. First, graphite or charcoal powder. Second, brush. Third, mono eraser. Fourth, charcoal pencil. So first, we need to make a light shade base for hair by using graphite powder with brush. We can use charcoal powder accordingly where we want a dark shade in hair. Once we're done with the base, then we will draw hairlines by using light strokes of mono eraser. This eraser gives really thin and smooth lines which exactly look like hair strokes. Here I use TOMBOW mono eraser. You can easily find this eraser at any nearest stationery shop or you can purchase it online. I have given a link in description box. For finishing, use charcoal pencil for some dark shades of hair strokes. And the result will be like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video.